Yeah, guys, I will upload all the GitHub related Terraform Git. Where I uploaded the Git, guys? Is there any document or folder? Ansible, AWS, Kubernetes, Terraform. So the desktop I have a Git
I think
material.
Ansible material is sir.
Ansible material. No. I just this is the Git only. So yesterday I forgot to save the other thing. Okay, no worries. Git cheat chart, copy, desktop, Git material, paste it. Okay, directly I will upload this. So code, no code. So upload a file. So upload a file, Git material. I'm uploading Git material. Yeah, commit the changes. Guys, now you understood Git? Guys,
Yes, sir,
Yes,
little
sir.
bit.
now
We
you
have to
understood, right?
practice.
Yeah. You guys practice. So Git is a source code management tool. So source code management tool. So if it is for developers, whatever the develop the code, right? Developer will store that developer code. So what about the infra DevOps engineer? So our infra, Terraform code, AWS code, everything will be push it in the guys. So everything will be push it in the GitHub, Bitbucket or GitLab, guys. Now you understood, right? Yeah.
So
So
everyone use only these there or any other options, sir?
yeah, I already told you, right? AWS having their own, right? AWS having their own Git repository, Azure having their own Git repository, right?
Okay,
So
sir.
most of the companies are using these three. Okay. Yeah. How do you check the Git version? It shows the version of the Git installed on your machine. So what is that, guys? Git bash. So what is the command to check? So git bash. So what is the command, guys? So command to check git version,
Version.
git hyphen version. Yeah, git is installed. You know already git is installed, right? So git init. So what is git init? It will initialize the project folder into a git repository. What is that? It will initialize project repository. We will not discuss. So we were not discussed this thing, right? I will discuss today. Okay. So we'll initialize the project folder into a git repository. So for example, ls. So cd desktop. What is that, guys? cd desktop. In the desktop, so we created the AWS DevOps 21 batch, right, guys? This is the one. No, not that is the one, right? So what is that? We cloned git material. Yesterday we created a
No, sir. DevOps
hmm,
underscore AWS dot underscore 21 here. First row.
first row DevOps. Yeah, cd DevOps
Underscore
underscore. Very good. So this is the one I remember now. You see, so we are in the which branch? So we are in
SR.
the Git branch. So what is the command? So where you are? You are in the which branch? You are in the SR branch. You are not in the main branch. Okay. Store status also one branch. So you want to come out from the future branch, this branch to main branch. How you can come out from that SR 12342 to main? Git checkout.
Out.
So git checkout is nothing but to come out from the current branch to, so you want to
Main
switch to another branch. Yeah, main branch. Git checkout main. Now you see, now you understood. So what is the use of git checkout? To so to switch from
Another
one
branch.
branch to one branch to another branch. So we can use the checkout. So how you can create a branch? How you can create a branch? What is the command? Git checkout. Checkout hyphen b is nothing but a hyphen b. So the branch is nothing but a future. So branch is nothing but a future. You see, so if you use the git checkout hyphen b future, it automatically it created the branch, future branch, and switch it to the this branch. Switch
New
it to
branch.
the new branch. Switch it to the new branch. Now you understood, guys, how to
Yes,
switch.
sir.
So how to switch from one branch to another branch? You can use a git checkout. So how to create a new branch? You can create a new branch by using the git checkout hyphen b. Git checkout hyphen b. Okay, guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So git init. So git init. So so now you understood this is a git local branch, a git local repository because of a normal directory, something like so in the desktop or desktop is a normal directory, right? So in the normal directory we are not seeing the future main branch. So because of this is not a local branch, local git repository. This is a normal directory. So DevOps AWS 21 is a Git repository. So that's the reason it is showing which branch you are. So in the repository, which branch? This is the repository, future is the branch. This is the repository, main is the branch. So branch repository. So branch, a repository having number of branches. Guys, now you understood?
Yes, sir.
A repository contains number of branches.
Yes,
So for
sir.
example, DevOps AWS 21 branch, how many? So AWS DevOps underscore AWS underscore 21 repository having how many branches?
3.
Three branches. How to check? You can check by using the git branch. So git branch command. You can check the git
So you need
branch.
to change now, sir.
Hmm?
Directory,
Yeah,
directory
yes,
change.
sir. Yes. So if you run the git branch command, git is not a repository. This desktop is not a repository. So that's the reason the git branch is not working. So you need to move to AWS DevOps underscore AWS 10. You see. So git branch. Get a branch. So how many branches we have? This is the repository. Repository contains the future branch, main branch, SR123 branch, status branch. Now you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right? Yeah. How do you check how many branches are having this repository? What is the command?
Git branch.
Git branch. So I want to switch from one branch to another branch. What is the command to switching from
Git,
one branch to another branch?
git checkout.
Checkout
Git
branch name.
checkout. So git checkout branch name. So how you can create a new branch? What is the command to create a new branch?
Git
So
checkout hyphen B.
git checkout hyphen b branch
Branch
name.
name.
Branch name. Guys, now you understood? Yeah. For example, I'm creating a new new directory called as a mkdir. For example, temp directory. Temp AWS. So cd temp cd temp AWS. So you see, guys, this is a normal directory. This is not a local repository. So if it is a local repository, right, the git local repository, it will shows the which branch and the branch. So it will shows the branch also. So this is not a local branch. I want to create a local branch. How you can create a local repository? By using the git init command. What is the command, guys? Git init
Init.
command. So git init, it will initialize the project folder into, for example, this is the project folder. What is the project folder? My temp
Yes,
AWS is the project folder. I will it will initialize the project folder into the Git repository. So how you can initialize from a project folder into Git repository? So git init, you see guys, you see temp AWS. So initialized a empty Git repository. What is this? This is a empty Git repository. So you see guys, ls-la. So what are the file? There is a, so if you run the git init, so it will be initializing the .git. So .git contains the files. So .git contains the files. For example, I am removing the .git rm-rf star cd twd cd desktop temp aws temp aws ls-la rm-ra rm-rf star git. AC guys. So it's again a normal directory. It's again, if you remove the .git, it's again a normal directory. Now you understood? So if you run the git init, this is a local repository. Temp AWS is the local repository. So temp AWS is the local repository. Guys, now you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Sir, without using command, we can't run Git like
So without
manually on the command.
which command?
Like now we are using sir Git init edit commands. Without
Uh,
using these commands, we can use directly in the Git online, no, sir.
Online, yeah. But so you
Git
want to what?
GUI.
Sorry?
In Git GUI, right?
Yeah, we
In
have
Git,
a Git GUI, but so for example, so this is the main, right? For example, so this is a main. So you want to add a file, create a file. So something like, so you are writing the code, here. Is this simple, or you need to write the code in the VS Code is simple?
VS Code is
VS Code.
simple.
Because of it is a IDE. It's already integrated development environment. If you want, you can install the plugins and it will be easy to. Is there any error checking? Everything will be easy. So once you done, so today I will show you how to merge, how to add, git commit, git merge. I will show it on the GUI through the VS Code. Okay.
okay.
Cancel the changes. Okay. So it is very difficult to write the code here, right? Once you write the code in your local, then you can push it. Understood?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. So we are running the commands through the git, right? So we can run the commands through the VS Code also. I will show you. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now you understood. Now you understood about the git sheet, right? So git init, it will initialize the project folder into the Git repository. Git status. So what is the status, guys? Yesterday we already executed this command, right? So we already ran this command. So we already ran this command. In a simple terms, it will show you the exactly which files folders have been modified, untracked and unstaged. What is that? Untracked and
And that's
unstaged
the
files. You can see git add dot. It will add all your files to the git staging area. Untracked to
track.
staging area. Track and means it will add your files to the git staging area. You can also add individual files to the staging area. For example, git add index.html, git add. So if you use the dot or whatever the files are there in the right, it will automatically add. So it will automatically add, guys. Right? Git diff. It will show the difference between a file in the staging area and that's present in the working tree, untracked file if you use. Okay. So git commit -m message. It will save your changes to your local repository. It's good practice to include proper commit message, which helps in debugging. Right, guys? It which helps in debugging. Git push. It will push all the local changes to changes that you have made to the remote repository, GitHub repository. What is that? GitHub remote repository. So git pull, it will pull or fetch all the updated code from the remote branch to the merge with your local branch. So git log, it will list down the entire commit history, all commits that you have made till now, that you have made till now. So git branch, branch name. So you can create the branch in two ways. You can create the branch in two ways. So what are the ways? Git checkout hyphen b branch name. Git branch, branch name also. So we can create. This command is used to create a new branch in our local Git repository, guys. So so this is the master branch, right? So this is the master branch. Git branch. So just git branch command shows the only master. Git branch. I want to create a new branch. Git branch temp hyphen 1234. So I'm created a new branch called as a temp 1234. Git branch. Git branch branch name FEA. Git. Sorry guys. Object not a valid object name master. Git status. So git branch git checkout hyphen pre temp hyphen 1234. Switch it to the new branch, guys. So git branch name is not working here. Okay, so it will work, but don't know what happened, right? So we can create a branch by using two ways: git branch name or git checkout hyphen b branch. So git branch, it will list down all the local branches that you have created. So what is that, guys? Git branch. So it will show cd git checkout master. What is this, guys? Master, no master. Git checkout main known file ls hyphen la. Yeah, we have a git, right? Cd dot. So rm hyphen rf temp aws mkdir temp underscore git. I'm creating a correct. So git, so temp git. So right, it's a project folder. You want to make it as a local repository. So you can use by using so git initialized, yeah, git init. So now git branch, git branch name temp 123. Why, guys? Okay, no worries. Git checkout hyphen b temp 123. Yeah, ls git branch git checkout branch name. What is the branch, guys? Master branch. So why it is master branch is not path spec master did not match any files known to git. Okay. So 1 second, guys. Error path spec master did not match. Git branch hyphen e. So there is no branches, right? Git checkout, git checkout main, no, git branch main, git checkout main, sorry, git checkout main, git push origin main. Guys, I think it will get the main, but it's not getting. Okay, no, you leave it. So cd dot dot ls. I want to create a directory, right? Okay. Yeah. So git branch, it will list down all the local branches that you have created. Git branch hyphen a. It will list down all the branches, that is local branches plus remote branches, that's available for the checkout. So git branch hyphen d in the branch name. It will forcefully, hyphen d is nothing but a forcefully delete the specified local branch, even if the changes are not committed. Git checkout branch name. So it is used to switch the between local to Git branches, local to Git branches. Now you understood? Git stash. It is used to temporarily remove the changes that you have made on the working tree. Git remote. It will give the name of the remote repository, for example, origin and upstream. Origin upstream. Get remote hyphen v. It will display the name the as well as the URL of the remote repository. URL of the remote repository. Guys, you understood?
Okay. So
Understood,
mostly
right?
comments.
Mostly these are the commands. So, yeah. So yesterday we discussed something like CD. What is that, guys? DevOps. DevOps
AWS underscore AWS dot
21.
21.
Yeah. So Git status. So this is the reason. So we are not merging we are trying to merge request, pull request, right? So from future branch to main branch, from the future branch to main branch. Mm, what is this, guys? Paint, right? Paint. Yes. So for example, guys, so this is your, for example, this is your, what is this, guys? This is your main branch, right? So main branch, and this is our main branch. So you created a new branch. You created a new branch. So what is the branch, guys? You created a, for example, so what branch we created, guys? So we created a future branch.
Star star 123.
So we created a feature, for example, if you so we created a feature branch, your code. So for example, whatever the code in there in the main, right, it automatically comes in the future branch, and you created a new code. Okay. So for example, status. So for example, status. So directly you cannot push directly.
From feature to main.
No, no, no. So you already downloaded the main code, right? For example, main code. This is your local main, right? Local main, local repo main. So main repository is there. So from main repository to main repository, you cannot directly push the code. You cannot directly push the code because of, so if the code is something wrong, so the main code will destroy, right? The main code will destroy. So right, I don't want to destroy my main code. Main code will destroy because of, so you are a fresher. You are a fresher. You don't know. You don't know the. So if you merge the code, if you don't know the code. For example, you did a mistake on the code. So you are a fresher, right? So you created a future branch and developed the code and create a merge request. What is that? Create a merge request to push the code to the
Main.
main branch. So what you created? You created a you created a
Feature.
GitHub. It will be a pull request. GitHub. It will be a pull request. So in the GitHub, what is that? GitHub.
GitHub.
GitHub. It will be a pull request or else. So GitLab. It is a merge request. What is that, guys? Merge
Merger.
request. So what it is? It is a GitLab. So in, I forgot that one, guys. So in Bitbucket also. What is that? Bitbucket also, I think pull request. So this is a Bitbucket. So this is a big bucket, right, guys? So you created a future branch. You created a feature branch and push push the code through pull request. Push the code through pull request. So pull request and you will include the reviewers. You will include the reviewers. So who is the reviewer, guys?
Manager.
Yes, reviewers. So who are the reviewers? For example, your lead or a manager. So lead or manager. Sorry, guys. Yes, it's a LEAD, lead or a manager. So if they will verify the changes and what they did the merge. So merging from future
Main.
to main. Now you understood, guys?
Yes, sir.
So directly we cannot merge it to the main branch. So we will create a future branch and we will create a pull request and ask the reviewers to review it. And so once it is so something like the code is good, so he will merge it. If the code is not good, so he will suggest few things.
Main.
Yeah, so we will suggest in the comments, right? In the comments. So that in that comments you can check it and you can modify it again push it. So once it is success, he will merge the code to the main. Guys, understood now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is nothing but a merge request, pull request, GitHub pull request, GitLab merge request, Bitbucket pull request. Guys, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you are in the which branch? Future branch, right? The future branch you see, it's already there. AWS DevOps 21, Hurry.txt, Java name.txt is there, right? But in the main branch, there is no Java name.txt, right? So Java name.txt, git add dot. So you can use git add dot also. Git status, git status. Yeah, it is in the staged area and the tracked file. I want to commit this git commit -m commit message. So Java file. So Java file and Java
So Java.
name, right? So now it is so now local repository knows the Java file. Local repository knows the Java file. Git. So what are the commands, guys? Git to git push, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So for example, you use the git push command. So for example, use the git push command. So git push set offset origin, paste it. Yeah. So it push it to the future branch, guys. It push it to the future branch. Now you want to merge the Where it, guys? I created GitHub. Hare Krishna. No.
Another ID.
Tech World with Hari, right?
Yes, sir.
Tech
Yes,
World
sir.
with Hari. Password.
Password we don't know, sir.
Actually, I also don't know. I forgot everything. Let's check. Let's check the verification code sent to the
No.
gmail.com. Right. Let's check the verification code. I want to open another tab, guys. Yeah, this is the one, right? So Gmail. Why it is asking verification code? So verification code is. So you are also facing the same issue, huh?
Sir, sometimes it will ask code.
Okay. Yeah. So this is my repository, main repository. You see, guys, future had a recent pushes to 1 minute ago. So compare and pull request, create a pull request. So it's a Java file. So compare future branch to the main branch. You are merging code from future branch to main branch,
Main.
right? If you want to write anything here, you see reviewer. So reviewer, you can assign the reviewer. For example, Sunny, for example, Hari, you can assign it Hari to. Hari will verify it and approve it. Then only we can merge it. Okay. Yeah. So create the pull request. Yeah, pull request is created. So pull request is created. Then merge. What is this, guys? Pull request is created. Then what you can do? You can merge it. So once it is merged, it will go to the which branch, guys?
Main.
Main branch. Very good. It will go to the merge pull request. So confirm merge. Right. So now let's check. Now let's check the repository. Yesterday we had a issue, right? Yeah. Now you see.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes,
Now
sir.
you understood the pull request, how to create a pull request and how to merge the code. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I will pull it from here. Downloads. Desktop. What is the folder name, guys? AWS 20. This one, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, here I am creating a file, call it as a main.tf. Okay. So I'm creating a file, call it as a main.tf, and something like so we have a code, right? Yeah, so this is the code. Okay. Yeah. So now Git knows this code or not?
No, sir.
All right. CD, the which directory? ls
DevOps. Main tier. DevOps.
cd dot cd aws, sorry, DevOps, right?
DevOps.
DevOps underscore AWS 21. Right. You created a main, right? This is the main.tf, right? So it is in the which directory, which branch?
Which
Future branch.
feature?
Okay. Future branch. So you see here. So you are in the which branch? The down you see, guys. Future branch, right?
Yes, sir.
So the
Hmm.
code is in the future branch. You see in the left side there is a source control. Okay. So pending changes. Once you click this, yeah. So this file is, I want to add the git add. So git status. Git status. This is in the untracked file. How you can track, guys?
Git add.
Git add. Yeah, you see. So in the Visual Studio Code, there is a plus, right? Plus is nothing but a, so adding, git adding, right? So once I
From
add
here
the
on,
file,
it's control.
here also we can use git
Okay.
status. So the file is
Track.
modified from tracked. So I want to git commit, right? So how you can do it? So this is the commit. I want to give the commit message. So VS code commit from VS code. Okay. So I'm committing the changes, right? Let's check git
Status.
status. You see, so nothing to be committed. Working tree is clean. So we operated from the
VS
we
Code.
have VS code. Now it is feature branch, right? Here you see.
Mm.
So 0 downloaded, but 1 uploaded. So right. So I want to push. So by using this, right, git push, right? Git push. So we can use from the command line. I don't want to use the command line. I can use the GUI from the VS code. Sync changes. Yes. Okay. This action will pull and push the commits from the origin future. Okay. Cannot push refers remote running pull first then integrate. Show the command. So yeah, git pull because of we added one file, right? Git pull. Yeah, already up to date. Then sync the changes. Cannot push refers to the remote. Try running pull first to integrate your changes. Show the command output. Push cannot. Why guys? Cancel. Git set upstream origin future. Yeah. So remote rejected future feature. Okay, okay. Because of you are trying to push it to the feature, right? So that is the reason. So what you can do, you can
Coding
change.
feature.
Yeah, you can change it to main. Yeah, then sync the changes, guys. Yeah, now you check. Now you check. So here only, yeah. Yeah. So refresh. So refresh branches. Future branch. So future branch contains the code, right? Guys, this is wrong. So we'll tell you tomorrow. Okay. I think we need to only future branch. From future branch only we can push the changes. But I don't know why it is not git pull tag origin future. Yeah, once let's try git pull. Git pull. Git pull. Yeah. The command it shows git. So this push cannot contain secrets. Resolve the following violations before using the push again. So Amazon access key ID commit. I think that is another file, right? So the files are main.tf only. So 85, right, guys? So I need to jump into the another call. We'll show you tomorrow. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So you see, git show text to something missing. So we'll show you tomorrow, guys. Okay. Thank you, guys.